Hello everyone, this video is all about MRP secondary unit of measurement. So basically it allows user to use secondary unit of measure which is UOM in the manufacturing process. It helps in the better tracking and the conservation of materials during the production. So now we go into the inventory. Under inventory we go into the configuration settings, and over here we will enable the unit of measurement. After enabling it, we will save these settings and we go into the products. And here I am going into the acoustic block screens. And here you can see for the acoustic block screen, we have unit as a units. And we will make sure for this, unit of the measure is unit and category is unit. Then we will enable this is secondary unit option, and after enabling it we will get one tab for the secondary UOM, and over here we will assign the secondary UOM, and we have to make sure that the category for any unit will be same, then only it will be applicable. So let's suppose for a unit we have your unit category is unit, and unit of measure it's units. So we have to check category should be same. So another unit category is dozen, so we'll apply second unit as dozen in UOM, and we will save it. And after that we will create one more product which is bolt, and under bolt we will assign the same thing per unit and the dozen. And one more thing, after applying secondary UOM, it will convert the units into the dozen. Right now we have on-hand quantity is 16 unit. It will automatically convert 16 unit into the dozen and give us on-hand quantity with it, which is 1.34 dozen. Now we will go into the manufacturing. Under manufacturing, we will create a bill of materials. I have already created one. We go into the acoustic block screen, and here you can see whatever quantity we will give, the secondary UOM is dozen, and it will automatically count the secondary quantity. Let's suppose right now two, we have quantities 2 and the secondary quantity is 0.17. Let's, if I put 5 quantity, you can see secondary quantities change, and it will be now 0.42. We will add the component, we'll add the bolt, and again you can see quantity is 1 and the secondary UOM is dozen and the secondary quantity is 0.9. Let's suppose I want to change this quantity to 3, and you can see after adding 3 quantity the secondary unit measure is also changed. We will save this and we will now create a manufacturing order. We go into the operations and we will create a manufacturing order. We create a new order. Our product is acoustic block screen, and here you can see 5 quantity for 0.42, and the component is added as we have already created the BOM. Same 0.25 is the secondary quantity, UOM in the units. We will save this, and on the confirming, manufacturing order is created. So this is all about this module. If you have any doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.